Solid cylinder whose height is 16 centimeter and radius is 12 centimeter, a conical cavity of height 8 centimeter and of base radius 6 centimeter is hollowed out. Find the volume and total surface area of remaining solid. So you consider one cylindrical block, means wooden block, means here they are cutting on cone of radius 6 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. They can cut even in corner also, but a conical cavity is here. So we have to find total surface area of remaining solid. You consider this, if you have to paint this wooden block, means you have to paint the curved surface area of block and base area of the block, and in the top of the block there is one hole, that is base area of cone. Then you have to paint this remaining area. So this is nothing but the top area of cylinder minus this circular part, means you can get this part. So this is also you have to paint. Then this one, this is cut out, but this curved surface area we have to find. This curved part is we have to find. So total surface area of remaining solid is nothing but curved surface area of cylinder. So we are here having 2 radius and 2 height. So for differentiating we have to keep radius of cylinder as capital R 12 centimeter. Then height of cylinder is H, capital H 16 centimeter. Then cone radius is 6 centimeter smaller. Then height is nothing but 8 centimeter. So here we have to find curved surface area, means pi r L. So we have to find slant height. So L is equal to root of r square plus h square. So 6 square 36 plus 64 means root 100, which is nothing but 10 centimeter. So total surface area of remaining solid equal to curved surface area of cylinder. So 2 pi r h plus base area of cylinder pi capital R square plus curved surface area of cone. So in this part, inside part, that is nothing but curved surface area, because the circular part is not included. So this is nothing but curved surface area of cone. So pi r L plus the top area of cylinder is pi capital R square minus area of this part is, this hole is circle, so minus pi r square. So from these 5 terms we have to take pi common. So 2 capital R h plus capital R square plus r into L plus capital R square minus small r square. Now we substitute the corresponding values. So 2 into capital R 12 into 16. So 2 into 12, 24, 24 into 16 if you put means 384. So next thing 144 plus 12 square is 144. So 144 plus 144 means 288. Then here r into L. R into L means r is 6, L is 10. So 6 into 10 means 60. So if you add these things means 732 minus this small r square is 6 square 36. So if you subtract means 696. So 22 by 7 into 696 means you cancel the 7th table, means 9 7s are 63, remainder 6, again 9 7s are 63, remainder 3. If keep decimal point means 30, so 30 means 4 7s are 28, remainder 2, 20 means 2 7s are 14, remainder 6, then 60 means 8 7s are 56. So for all the sum you find after decimal point you find 3 digits, so only exact book back answer came. So 22 into 99.428 means 2187.428. So you round it up that answer. After decimal point you need two numbers only. So round it up means 2187.43 centimeter square. This is exact book back answer. Then volume of remaining solid is nothing but, this is easy. Volume means the total volume of cylinder minus this volume of cone. So volume of cylinder pi capital R square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. From these two things we can take pi common. So r square means 144, then h is 16 minus 1 by 3 into small r is 6, so 6 square 36 into 8. So if you cut that 3 and 36 means 12. So 12 8s are 96. So 144 into 16 means 2304. Then subtract 96 means 2208. So again we cancel with 7th table, means 3 7s are 21, remainder 1. 10 means 1 7s are 7, remainder 3. 38 means 5 7s are 35, remainder 3. So 30 means 4 7s are 28, remainder 2. 20 means 2 7s are 14, remainder 6, again 8. So if you multiply these two things means 6939.42 centimeter cube. So this is book back answer.